Experience driving perfection in the 2012 Buick Regal. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has just over 90,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like power windows, mirrors, and seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, turn signal indicator mirrors, and leather upholstery. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.